Meaning of hit list.
Hit list.
Hit list.
Hit list.
Hit list. A hit list is a term used to describe a list of people or targets that are marked for harm or assassination. It could be a list created by an individual or organization with the intention of carrying out violent acts against those on the list. The term has also been used in a more figurative sense to describe a list of things to accomplish or complete. In either case, the connotation of a hit list is negative and can evoke a sense of fear or danger. Overall, a hit list is a list of individuals or tasks with negative implications attached to it.